Hello friend, welcome my channel. Welcome my channel. I am Robin Mukherjee, civil engineering pass out 1986. Civil engineering pass out 1986. Work experience above 30 years. Work experience above 30 years. Today I discuss mensuration. Mensuration. Today I discuss mensuration. Mensuration. Number one, area of a square. Area of a square, side square, side square. Number two, area of circle. Area of circle. Pi divided by 4 into dia square. Pi divided by 4 into dia square, or pi into radius square. Pi into radius square. Number three, area of triangle. Area of triangle. 1 by 2 base into perpendicular height. 1 by 2 base into perpendicular height equal to square root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where a, b, c are sides and s equal to 1 by 2 plus a plus b plus c. Area of triangle, half base into perpendicular height equal to square root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where a, b, c are sides of triangle and s equal to half a plus b plus c. Number four, area of trapezium. Area of trapezium, half into sum of parallel sides into height. Area of trapezium, half into sum of parallel sides into height. Number five, area of regular polygon. Area of regular polygon, radius of inscribed circle into half sum of all sides. Area of regular polygon, regular polygon equal to radius of inscribed circle, radius of inscribed circle into half sum of all sides, half sum of all sides. Number six, area of hexagon. Area of hexagon equal to 0.866 d square. 0.866 d square means dia square equal to 0.649 d square. 0.649 d square, where d, small d equal to dia of inscribed circle and capital D dias of circumscribed circle, where small d dia of inscribed circle and capital D dia of circumscribed circle. Area of hexagon 0.866 small dia square equal to 0.649 capital dia square. Number seven, area of octagon. Area of octagon equal to 0.82 small dia square equal to 0.707 capital dia square. Area of octagon equal to 0.82 small dia square equal to 0.707 capital dia square, where d equal to dia of inscribed circle and d dia of circumscribed circle, where small d equal to dia of inscribed circle and capital dia is dia of circumscribed circles. Number 8, convex surface area of circular. Convex surface area of circular cone equal to 1 by 2 into perimeter of base into slant height. 1 by 2 into perimeter of base into slant height. Convex surface area of circular cone equal to 1 by 2 into perimeter of base into slant height. Number 9. Surface area of a sphere. Surface area of sphere equal to pi into dia square. Pi into dia square, and volume equal to 4 by 3 pi into radius cube. Pi volume equal to pi 4 by 3 into pi into radius cube. Surface area of a sphere, pi into dia square, and volume equal to 4 by 3 pi into radius cube. Number 10. Surface area of spherical segment. Surface area of spherical segment equal to pi equal to C4 C square divided by 4 plus H square. C4 C square divided by 4 plus H square. Surface area of spherical segment equal to pi into C square divided by 4 plus H square, where C is chord of the sphere. C is chord of the sphere. H equal to height of segment from the chord, where C chord of the sphere, H height of segment from the chord. Number 11. Area of rhombus. Area of rhombus 1 by 2 into D1 into D2, where D1 and D2 are diagonals. Area of rhombus 1 by 2 into D1 into D2, where D1 and D2 are diagonals. Number 12. Circumference of circle. Circumference of circle equal to pi into dia. Pi into dia equal to 2 pi into radius. 2 pi into radius. Number 13. Circumference of a circle circumscribing square. Circumference of a circle circumscribing a square equal to 4.443 plus side of square equal to 4.443 plus side of square. Number 14. Length of area of a circle. Length of area of a circle. Theta divided by 360 degree. Theta divided by 360 degree plus 2 pi r. 2 pi r, where theta is central angle of arc in degree. Theta equal to central angle of the arc in degree. R equal to radius of the circle. Length of area of a circle equal to theta divided by 360 degree plus 2 pi r. 2 pi r, where theta equal to central angle of the arc in degree. Central angle of the arc in degree. R equal to radius of the circle. Radius of the circle. Also length of arc. Length of arc equal to 8b minus 2a divided by 3. 8b minus 2a divided by 3, where b equal to chord of half arc. Chord of half arc. B equal to chord of half arc. 2a equal to span of arc. 2a equal to span of arc. Number 15. Sector of a circle. Sector of a circle. I, that means part of the circle bound by 2 radius drawn to the center and intercepted arc. Sector of circle, that means part of a circle bounded by 2 radius drawn to the center and intercepted arc. Area equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Area equal to theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square. Number 16, segment of circle. Segment of circle, that means the part of a circle cut off by a chord. The part of a circle cut off by a chord. Area equal to 4 by 5th. 4 by 5th square root equal to a square plus 2 by 3 h square equal to 2 by 3 into 2a into h approximately. National notation are as in segment of circle, that means the part of circle cut off by chord. Area of 4 by 3 h into square root a square plus 2 by 5 h square equal to 2 by 5 into 2a into h approximately. Notation are as in previous discussed. Number 40. Number 17, volume of circular cone. Volume of circular cone 1/3 divided by area of base into vertical height. Volume of circular cone equal to 1/3 into area of base into vertical height. 1/3 into area of base into vertical height. Number 18, area of ellipse. Area of ellipse. Area of ellipse equal to 1 by 4 into pi small d, pi capital D small d, where d and d are axes. Capital and small d are axes. Area of ellipse 1 by 4 pi capital D small d, where capital D and small d are axes. Number 19, area of parabola. Area of parabola 2 by 3 height into base. Area of parabola 2 by 3 height into base. Now I end my video. Next day I discuss project and plan related execution activities wise another video. All are requested, if you are like my video, please subscribe my channel. If you are like my video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you. Bye.